I'm Dwayne from Blackrock Therapies, and here's my tip for the day. When you're vacuuming the house, if you put your hand behind your back, it will save your posture and it will save you getting low back pain when you're vacuuming. Now, I don't do a lot of vacuuming in the house, but when I do, I want to preserve my posture and reduce the risk of low back pain. So, without my hand behind my back, this posture is going to happen, or this posture is going to happen, and we round up and load up our low back. Simply putting your hand in the low back lifts your posture up, pulls your scapula back, your shoulder back, restores a normal posture to your spine, and it gives efficient movement with the vacuum cleaner. Now, with the cord, I like to just grab the cord in my hand and just hold the cord and vacuum. This is Dwayne from Blackrock Therapies, and that was your tip of the day.